Alright, hi guys. So now that we have finished our unit on addition, we're going to be moving on to our next unit, which is subtraction, and specifically an introduction to subtraction. And we're going to start that in class tomorrow. So tonight, what I wanted you guys to do was just take a few minutes, and I'm going to have you watch a short video, okay? And before we start the video, let me just show you what your lesson objectives are. Alright, by the end of this lesson, you guys will be able to perform simple subtraction operations consisting of numbers between 1 and 10. And you're also going to become familiar with the mathematical term difference, which we use for subtraction. And that's very similar to the way we used the term sum when we were doing addition. Alright, so what I want you to do now is I want you to open up a brand new tab in Google, and I want you to go to YouTube. You can type in YouTube, and then I am going to have you go up to the top, and I want you to search basic subtraction introduction, just like that. And then you see this second video here, guys. I want you to click on this.
Writing's not that easy,
and
but Grammarly can help. This sentence is
it's going to play an ad, and then you could skip the ad, and then I want you guys to watch this 2-minute video and write down anything that you are confused about, and tomorrow we can talk about it in class. Alright, so good luck and have a good night.